Forgotten username recovery failed on Adyen Fix. If your Adyen username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they think Adyen still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Adyen now relies on your registered email as your primary login method. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Adyen app or go to the official website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for messages from Adyen, such as payment confirmations, account statements, or merchant notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, use that same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Adyen support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Adyen removed usernames to simplify login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Adyen payments and dashboard in minutes.